Hello everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you're seeing this video. Hopefully I'm live. Let me share my screen. सबको namaste, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Let me quickly share my screen. Yeah, hopefully my screen is visible. Now let's refresh it. So let's start with Bitcoin, then we will come to silver and gold. I am just putting this side by side so that our favorites to trade is Bitcoin and gold, right? Let us see that what is happening at higher time frame. So before this, I want to see what is happening at daily time frame. So at daily time frame, you can just see that market has already broke the selling zone, and the selling zone has been there for like a month or so. Like from 6th Feb, it is the sellers are protecting their area. This is their area, right? So their zone. So for the past 1 month, they are protecting, and as you can see that crypto, so Bitcoin price action is in lower lows, and market is quite weak in Bitcoin. As you can see that for the past couple of months, like almost 5 to 6 months, market is in lower lows, right? And after this, this is also the zone that the market is preventing uh, to buyers to go through this, and today it suddenly broke out. So this is a good sign for buyers to punch the trade in, because this is extremely good sign. And let us also enable the time zone. So still 8 hours for this daily time frame candle to close, and let's see what is happening at 4 hour. So at 4 hour time frame, you can see for the past couple of hours, you can just see that this is the selling zone, right? So this is the selling zone, and market has just broke out the selling zone very comfortably. And in 16 minutes or in 15 minutes, market is going to close this 4 hour candle. And as you can see that this is quite strong candle, and it will create panicness in the sellers who are protecting this zone for past 1 month. So if this is a false breakout, then there are so extreme number of buyers who will get trapped, and market will fall till here. That's the chance. But after this, if this is a real breakout and market sustain this candle, then there is a huge possibility that market will shoot in the up direction, because there is so much stop loss of all the sellers which are presented here. And the market is, so market loves to take liquidity either in the direction, either in the up direction or in downward direction. Wherever there is a most probable chances to get the liquidity, market will take the liquidity, and and price action will shot up or shot down very with a momentum, with a great momentum. All right. So let me just check once that we are live or not. No, 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 no. Yes, we are live. So I don't know why people are not watching my daily live. Uh, Daily, I'm used to see one watching only, and that is me. All right, so I'm just keeping this side by side, just to see it. All right. So guys, I have little bit of shake as well. Extremely tasty. Okay. So what? Yeah. So our mindset uh, is bullish. Although like we can change the mindset wherever we find the money, we will change it. But the probable chance to get the money is in the up direction. So we are bullish for today, at least for today. All right. We can change our mindset as well. If we find that this is a trap or something like that, then we can just change it. We are, remember guys, we are scalper, and scalper will stay in the market for not more than 15 minutes, like five. We uh, supposed to stay in the market like 5, 10, 15 minutes. That's it. Okay, so we have to find a quick momentum where the market has the probable chance, most probable chance to go on. Mm, okay, so let's see what is happening at 1 hour time frame. Yeah, 15-minute time frame, good candle. Yeah. So this is 5-minute time frame, and we used to trade in 5 minute only. All right. So now let's see what is happening at gold. Ting 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 ting. Yesterday, we have seen that gold crashed very badly. Let me just see what is the price here in India for gold, because yesterday gold crashed abnormally, right? Just give me a minute, guys. Huh? Yeah, gold just fall in India as well. The chances, see, what happened in gold is yesterday there is extreme. mm so for the past couple of days and months, like for the last 1 month, gold is following this. Not yeah, let's assume this is the, yeah. So we can assume, not this is not a proper channel, but we can see that this is the, um not a parallel channel, but it's a bit of trapezium. So gold is following some kind of channel, like this is upper rejection. This is where uh, gold have their sellers, right? So this is the first point where selling started. Second point, this is where the second selling started, and this is the third. So this continued. This this consolidation phase continued for long, like it started from 23rd Feb and went to 27th Feb, like 4 to 5 days. And after that, it market made a breakout. Okay, and this breakout is huge. And from this breakout, from this point, what market did is, and this is also due to the uncertainty in the global market as well. Market just crashed from here. Like yesterday, it crashed, and after crashing, market took a support at this bottom trend line that I drew just drew at the 4 time frame, and now it is at this selling zone again. So there is chances, there is a possibility that market will test this buying zone again, and there is a EMA rejection as well. So this is the mean price where the market is sustaining now and consolidating and pausing right now. So our POV in gold is in the selling side, because the yesterday's experience was that market is in selling, and there is uncertainty in the gold as well, where this this is a fear market, right? So people are hesitating to buy gold right now because they have just seen the uncertain crash. This is crash, that because this is a huge crash, right? And it happens in a day only. So there is an uncertainty that people are a little bit confused about what to do. So the chances of market going down is much higher than the market going in up direction. So although like anything can happen in the market, we are not uh, no one knows where the market will go, but market works on the psychology and the prediction and the probability more. The correct word is probability. So the probable chance here is that after this fall, market can test this buying zone again, just to see that is still there is a buyer or not. Okay, so in gold we are uh, bearish in gold. So remember, in Bitcoin we are bullish, in gold we are bearish. Okay, so let's see what is happening at 5 minute time frame. At 15-minute time frame, you can just see that yeah, there is a great opportunity in the selling side. So we will punch the order in the selling side only whenever we find, although like there's let me let me draw what I'm just seeing. There is a little bit of this buying zone here, so we have to be a little bit careful here in gold. Although like there's a extreme level of selling, because this is where market is also following its trend line. This is upper trend line, and yeah, so we will find the opportunity in the selling side, we will jump in. Okay, let's see what is happening in silver. So at 4 hour time frame, you can just see silver is also behaving like gold, and this is silver is pretty much the price action in silver is quite confusing actually. Although like it can give you money, but this horizontal line that I drew is uh, is where these buyers are. And for the past 1 or 2 days, market is quite weak, and there is a less probable chance that market from this like, because the buyers are here and midway buying will happen, the chances are low, although like anything can happen, but the chances of midway buying is extremely rare, because this is where the sellers are, and they are pumping the market in the downward direction, they're pushing the market in downward direction, and this is the presence of sellers. So for today, we, although like market is taking rejection and coming to the EMA, and EMA might face a rejection again. And one more thing that I can see is that this is where the buyers are. So buyers are present at this area, and if market breaks this area, then there is a high chances that market will touch this zone. So we have to be a little bit careful in silver. Although like we are bearish in silver. Remember, we are bearish in silver. Okay. Mhm. All right. So quite I haven't took any trade yet, guys. If you want to practice your trading skills, this is a paper trading application. Disclaimer: this is there no real money involved. This is just to practice your trading journey by um, saving you to not to jump directly on the real trading application or real brokerage firms, because any mistake that you will do will penalize your account and will take your real money. So if you are not comfortable and not confident enough, then you can just practice a lot, because practice and discipline and risk reward will make you one of the greatest and one of the best trader out there. So I would recommend you to uh, to practice. So this is the application that you can find in the description box. So uh, you can just jump in and okay, Bitcoin is extremely bullish, guys. Extremely bullish. We have must missed the trade. We should have jumped the trade here after this good candle. And this is a so Bitcoin is running very far. Okay, let's see. We will punch the order here. So this is 7491. This is the trade. 7 500. So as soon as it crosses the 500, we will 506. But it is taking a pullback. That's nice. Okay, so the chances of getting a trade in silver is high. So I'm just Getting ready with my order. We'll jump in with less quantity, less. Okay. Um, if we find that this market is silver is facing rejection from this selling zone, then we will try to jump in, and the target will be this. Okay, because this is where market is trying to attract buyers to come in, because it is looking like that it will uh, break out this trend line, and might be this is a real breakout as well, but we have to be a little bit careful here, and we have to see that what market is trying to do. So this is 3 minute time frame to find the opportunity. In gold, yeah, in gold also there is opportunity. Let's see guys, let's see. So we will jump in with 750 quantity. Still 1 minute and 40 seconds to close 5 minute candle. Bitcoin is also making a move in the up direction, and I think Bitcoin will. So exactly taking the rejection from the buying point that our buying point is. Silver is also taking rejection, which is a good sign. That is that it is showing the presence of sellers here. We will only enter after the confirmation that there's really a seller, and these buyers are getting trapped because their stop losses are here, right? And we will try to get the stop loss of all the buyers. Let's wait for the candle to close. We will not jump directly. And Bitcoin is we will find the opportunity in the buying side in Bitcoin only. So this is a pullback. Might be market will come at this area, then we will punch the order in the upcoming. Otherwise, we'll wait in Bitcoin. Silver, yeah. So this is a rejection, and in 25 seconds, market this candle is going to close, and I think this is good candle that is closed. So let me see what my stop loss look like. That is around 200 points. So let me just so this is 8424. 8424. I will not punch the order directly. I will just wait for a down tick. This is 8424. I punched the order in the selling side. Oh, I think I punched the at wrong time. uh, okay. Market is too much volatile, guys. I think the quantity is high. Let me see where I punched the order. So 8432. Short position. 8432. Here. This would be my stop loss. This is the target. Okay, let's go. 8432, right? 8432. Yeah. Market is below 8432, right? Why is it showing a different price? too much volatile, guys. Yeah, what is this? I'm just getting profit and you are not showing the profit. Why? Guys, this is 8414 and you are at 8429. Why is this Bhedbhav to me? The price is not updating, guys. So what can I do? Please update the price at timely, right, guys? The market is extremely 10, so it is at 10. It had fallen a lot, guys. It had fallen a lot. Why the price is not updating? I will not take any risk in this trade, so my risk is 0. I'm refreshing this price action again. See, they don't want me to earn money, right? I just crossed the order at some, I don't know where I crossed my order. Yeah, at $337 profit. Why I crossed the order? Because this price is not updating according to my analysis. Although like our target is this. So let me show you what my target will look like. So it is 8432. 8432 is the uh, 8432. Yeah, here we punched the order here after this analysis, as you know, and our target is at this area. This okay. So let us analyze this uh, nakedly. Okay, we haven't punched the order. Although like it, if it reaches here, like then we should have made it like on five, $600, $700. But for some reason, market is not rewarding us. See, this is extremely good candle, and the chances of falling is extremely high, guys. Let's see analysis. We are because these things didn't matter, right? These are some stats, but what matters is the process, and our process says that if there is a rejection, because see, let me tell you why what went in my head to punch this trade. Um, as you know, this market is bearish, right? First thing first, market is bearish. Okay, so we have to find the opportunity in the selling side. Now, after this buying, so you can just see that there are buyers in here, right? This is the buying zone. Okay, so they are the buyers. So obviously, buying will come at this buying zone, and market took the buying pressure in the up direction, and this is extremely good candle that went till here, and that attracted because the previous candle is also in the upside, and that attracted buyers to punch the trade in the up direction. But at the same time, as you can see, that market is in selling range. This is the upper trend line where the sellers are active, and they are protecting this selling zone, right? So a second, they're protecting their selling area, right? And after I'm just waiting for the rejection, because see, according to analysis, this is a false breakout, and this is just an invitation for all the buyers to come in to take this in FOMO, and inviting them that market will go in the up direction. Although, like it's very difficult to, it needs a big player to push the market in the up direction, because there's so many sellers are there, and they might protect their positions, right? And as soon as it made a good spike in the up direction, it invited all the weak buyers, and weak buyers just enter. As soon as they enter, market pumped in the downward direction. So sellers pushed the market in the downward direction and made this uh, reverse pin bar candle, right? So this is pin bar candle in the reverse direction, right? And that instigated me to punch the order. And I didn't punch the order like after this candle close. I just waited for the uptick and then the downtick. And as soon as the downtick came, I punched the order because the chances. I just took a risk. Anything can happen in here, like the but the probability of getting the market price action in the downward direction is much higher than the going in the up direction. So I just played with the probability, and I just punched the order in the downward direction, and market just swiped away. I although like I've booked around 377, 337. That doesn't matter. What matter is that the target will be at this area. So this is the target because this is the buying area, and market have all the potential to at least test this buying area again. So let's see. So okay, doesn't matter because this is just API data, and I'm fetching the price from the free. So if anyone didn't know that I made this application, although like it's looking quite buggy, but it's not because I relied on so many free sources, and this prices is from one free resources. Although like that gold price, commodity prices are expensive to get. So if I replace this with a paid API, then I think I will get data in the real time. But this is from the free API, so that's why the data is like somewhat misleading. Or like you can just see 8368, and here you can just see 8372. So this are quite misleading. And at the time that I took the trade, it is not updating because it's already a good trade to punch in. Guys, just give me a second. But the good thing is that our analysis is correct. That's what matter. Profit loss doesn't matter at all. There is a setup in Bitcoin to punch the buying trade. I will wait for this because I will not punch the order directly because I just need a confirmation in the buying side. And this because as you can see, this is a pullback. Now let us see that if there is a confirmation in the buying side or not. Silver is already reaching to a target. So it is almost 1:3 trade, and that's a good trade actually. Taking rejection from here, like it reversed from from 0.02 points. Okay, gold is take once again. gold also took a support from this trend line. So the chances that silver will take a support is if anyone who is trading and can book their profits, because this the chances of getting reversal is higher now. So whoever is trading right now, so they can book their profits. I think you are already having a good profit. There is a trading setup. There is a setup in Bitcoin in the long side. So I'm quite interested in punching the trade in the long side. All right. So basically, what happened here is this is a support zone, right? From here, the market took a rise, and suddenly it this might be a profit booking candle as well, and that leads to one more selling candle, right? This invited sellers, right? And sellers thought that market will crash or something like that, and this is also inviting sellers only. So this is making a liquidity in the selling side. So this is just an invitation for sellers as well. Now we are interested that if one candle like if one candle closes like this in green or something like that with a good body, then we are interested in these punching the trade in the up direction. Otherwise we will wait. We will wait for the setup. We will wait that how market is gaining liquidity. The game is all about waiting and waiting for your setup. The game is not about punching trades. The game is all about seeing the psychology. What each candle is trying to say, what each candle is communicating, because this is emotions involved throughout the people. Obviously this is what this big red candle is doing. It is panicking all the buyers that you are wrong, so they are also just squaring off their positions, which is leading to invitation to new sellers that okay, the market has the potential to go in the downward direction, right? But at the same time, this is also the buying zone. This is where the market is protecting itself, because after this much of uh, potential, this much of buying, there's it's quite hard that market can, it's anything can happen, obviously. Nothing is like permanent, although like you can just see that market is breaking this green zone. The chances of protecting this green zone is higher, because this is extreme. There are there are big players involved here. So this is this has already invited too many sellers, which have their stop loss at this area. So let's see what this how this candle will close will determine the next move of ours as well. Okay. Still 2 minutes to close this candle. Silver has already broke our target, so this is good. This is good trade actually. Like I love this trade. Gold is also testing its trend line. If there's a breakout of this trend line, then market has the potential to go in the downward direction for sure. Because gold is extremely bearish, guys. Extremely bearish. In 25 seconds, this candle is going to close, and this candle is not closing the way we wanted. So this is what is also asking me to change my mindset from buying to selling. But I would be interested in the next candle as well. So if the next candle crosses this below the low of the previous candle, the chances of getting in the selling direction is much higher. But if it took a support, then these sellers are trapped. See, these sellers are trapped, guys. Market trapped. Gold has trapped the sellers. See the trapping in action, guys. It invited all the sellers by showing them that I just broke the trend line, and the next candle you just see that how big it is forming. Same goes with silver as well, and in in Bitcoin as well. If we take a trade, then we have to see that what is our stop loss look like. It's more than $244, which is not good. Hmm. We should have taken the trade here. We missed the trade, guys. The closing of six candles extremely good, guys. Our punching order is this. Okay, 73065. Just out of this little red zone. Just wait. Let's wait a little bit more. There is no trading zone in the silver right now because market is at buying zone. Anything can happen. We can't punch the buying order here also well because this channel is very narrow now. So anything can happen. Market can pump or broke in any of the direction. Okay, okay. Bitcoin just 73068, right? Okay, didn't sustained. That's the problem. I'm punching the buying order, guys. Let's see. uh, I will exit manually with $100 stop loss. Let's see what where I punched my order. 73063. Here only. Sorry. So this is my buying price. My stop loss would be at 100 points. Target is this. All right. So let's see. Okay. The sign is not looking good. Gold is rising. Silver is rising. Bitcoin is struggling. Okay. Let's manage the trade. Let's see what is happening at 5 minutes. Mm, Let's see, guys. Okay, for the second time, we are seeing the $100+ profit here in this trade. We will not take any loss in this. We will just cut this at cost to cost because we have seen struggle at $100. We don't want market to reverse from $100 profit and to negative $100. That means $200 downward move. Mm, um, shows us a rejection, guys. I just cut this trade because this is not giving us a good signal. I don't know where I cut. Just $5. I just cut this trade at cost to cost. Let's see. Okay, as soon as I cut this trade, it is going in the up direction. Crazy, guys. Just made a fool out of me. Approaching to our target, guys. The thing that I'm lacking is I should have hold my trade. Either I have to accept my stop loss or just wait for the target. In between, whatever happens should not panic you. That's what I have to train my mindset for. And I failed here in this trade, but that's what my learning this is this from current trade. Mr. Vivek Sinharia, you have to wait for your deep target or your for your stop loss. Don't go in between because your stop loss is already very small. $100 nothing in the Bitcoin, right? Against that, you are getting $300 also. You are punching 1:3 trade. That is already a good trade. So keep in mind like this, okay? See, if you hold your trade right now, then this trade is approaching your target, guys, right? And this will eventually will touch your target. Just wait and see. So overall, we punched two trades right now, and one we just get out at cost to cost. We should have holded that trade. So this is the overall view. Uh, okay, it is coming going on. Overall is that one we have punched 153 trades as of now. 60 are profitable trades and 93 are in loss trades. This is our overall PNL, and this is the best trade and this is the worst trade. Gold is taking continuous rejection from this area. This is the area where gold is taking rejection from. Silver is also taking rejection from this area again and again. Now this is very narrow. This become very narrow. So market can explode in either of the direction. We have to see where. Bitcoin is also taking rejection from this area again and again. So there are some buyers, sorry, sellers at this area. All right. So it is again at our cost to cost area. Seems like everything slowed down. There is no trade in silver. There is no trade in gold. One trade that we can took, we have more missed this trade. So this is also no trading zone in Bitcoin as well. So everything slowed down a bit and starts moving in channel. All right. What is this? Gold, silver. Okay, silver broke out in the downward direction, which is good. At least somewhere it is moving. Um, Binance, Binance is extremely slow. See, if we took this trade never went in the losing side. Never. I just cut this trade cost to cost. Although like it taking too much time, but it eventually giving this target for sure. So this is gradually moving in the up direction and will definitely reach this target. So this already we took this trade at here 10:05. It's already 10:28. So this trade is lasting for 28 minutes. Sorry, 25 minutes. So sometimes some trades last long for 30 minutes, 1 hour as well. So some trades will give you money for sure, but will give you slowly money. So yeah, see, it is reaching the target. See, just look at guys. Just look at this. It already crossed our target. Now it is making. So that's nice. We can even furthermore extend the target. That's not an issue. So our 2 out of 2 analysis correct, but the thing that I have to learn is to hold the trade either in the profit or in the loss, because analysis is quite right, and why not to get some profit out of it. after after rejection, you just see that after target hit, you just giving the rejection. So our initial target is this, and it already hit $351. Now it is taking a rejection because this is a rejection area, right? This is a selling area. Gold and silver are extremely slow. Binance is also extremely slow. Okay, the chances of Binance getting in the up direction is higher. But let's wait. What, because this is extremely slow buying, and after this much of big green candle, that means the buying should happen very quickly. But this happened very slowly. That means the presence of sellers is there. The chances of getting in the downward direction is high actually. So we should punch the trade in the downward direction. Let's see what stop loss look like. It's $120. Target is $270. We can trade as well, but let's see. Oh, this attracted so many buyers out here, and if market wants to take the stop loss of all the buyers that is presented over here, then it can take. But Bitcoin has a different plan, I think so. Okay, let's avoid the trade in the Binance then. होरी के रघुबीरा मन, होरी के रघुबीरा। 'होरी के रघुबीरा मन में, 'होरी 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 के रघुबीरा। 'होरी के रघु मेरी आँखें आई। Crazy, 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 crazy. Trading needs guts, guys. To be very honest, trading needs guts, guts and balls. As you can see, after 1 hour, market paused a bit. Now there is chances that market can make a move in the up direction because this is. Let's see, is there any rejection area? Not. Nothing. Nothing, guys. Nothing. So there is extreme level of opportunity again. So this is the high. This is already a high. Market should continue. Market can continue the high because selling from this point of onwards is um, bit confusing. Silver is at again its selling zone. So silver had already this is um, again its selling zone. So silver is, let's see what silver tries to do. So this is a good buying candle. In gold there is no nothing. See, gold is literally dead at 5 minutes as well. So I don't know what is happening at 1 hour. This 1 hour gold has made a dozy candle, so the chances to fall is much higher at any time frame, guys. So I'm just waiting. What will happen? Okay, all right. So market is making a move in up direction, inviting buyers to come in. Let's see. I think we can have a trade in silver again. I sold the silver again. I don't know where I sold it. 750. Refreshing, guys. 839038. Short position. 839308. Here, no? What is that? 8390. So 8390 here. 9190. Somewhere here. Somewhere here. Yeah. Let's target a small quantity only. But stop loss is also very small. Eight 8374 is the price right now. Squared off this position because silver is literally, guys, it will not give you the big profit today. Nothing. So this is basically the supply demand. I should have booked at $200, but this is like where the selling is coming. This is where the buying is coming. So I just punched the order out. No big trade today. No big today for today. It's already 1 hour and 30 minutes, and we haven't punched a big trade today. Big trade means around 400 $500 because market is not giving a big trade, guys. Oh, already we have missed a trade in. Let me realize what my stop loss look like. So it is 100 point stop loss, and what is my target looks like. Target will look like 195. So I'm punching the trade in. Let's wait for. So I punched my trade in Binance. What is my 658.84 short position? Is this 658.84 here? Exactly here. My stop loss would be at high of this candle. So $100 is my stop loss. My target is this. Already we are reaching 100 and okay, nice. So I just okay, I just cut my trade. What happened in Bitcoin? Oh, extremely buying came. Okay, nice. That's why we lost the trade. Okay, nonetheless. So overall, so today we are. This is our trading summary for today. Uh, I think that's it, guys. Let's end the today's day because this is very hectic day and I can't bear much more pain. And yeah, um, should have avoided this trade, but let's see. Okay, it's fine. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Um, Today market is moving extremely slowly. Should I think I we should come live at 7 or 7:30 so that we can get some momentum because this already exhausted us. These kind of thing. Like now, our market is moving in the up direction and will continue in moving in up direction only. But we have to find the opportunity. Already, this Binance trade should have avoided. We should have avoided because market is extremely in buying direction, and I we don't know what came in my mind to punch this trade. But such trades should be avoided. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye.